Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the information regarding the internship for the PhD and MNC students. So it will be a government internship and you will get certification and stipend around 35,000 for 6 months. And there are two tracks for this internship. One is for 35,000 and another is for 10,000. So you can apply for that. In this video you will be having a clear-cut idea about what is this internship and on which portal is this internship is uploaded and which company is providing this internship and what is your stipend, location and working culture, and you will be get information regarding the what is the requirement for this internship. So watch this video till the end. And before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel for getting these amazing videos. And we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So please support and provide some support and love to our channel by just subscribing to it. Let's get started. If you have any additional doubt, just comment to this video. We will be happy to sort out all your doubts. Let's get started. Moving to our internship. So it is managed internship program that is provided by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. So it is uploaded on the My Scheme Digital India. It is a government approved, government handled website. You can blindly have trust on this website. So what are these keywords? Like it will be agriculture based and it will be related agriculture and environment and management. So it will be a student internship program for you. Now there is a detail that Manage is a autonomous organization of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Government of India. So it is providing you the internship for 3 months and or up to 6 months. So all the required link will be provided you in the description. So do not worry, and you can read out this description. Now what are the duration? So duration will be from 3 months up to 6 months. If you want to pursue 3-month internship, you can do it, and if you want to do 6-month internship, you can do it. Now for the availability, the internship is open year rounded, so whole year you can apply for that. Now main purpose of this video was of this stipend. So there will be for the 3-month internship you will get 10,000 per month with the free boarding and lodging. That means you will be given the allowance for the transportation. And another track is for the 6-month internship program that will provide you 35,000 per month. And so if you multiply 35,000 with the 6, then you will get 2.1 LPA. So it will be a great opportunity for you to collect 2.1 LPA in 6 months. If you doesn't have much time, you can go for the 10,000 internship also. Now what are the eligibility? So if eligibility is clear cut, that you should have completed or ongoing PhD, or you should be a student of MNC, Master of Science. Or now what are your field? You should be having the knowledge about the economics, sociology, physiology, journalism, communication and environment science. So applicant should have CG of minimum 8 out of 30. So this is the major drawback, or you can setback of this internship, that you should have 8 out of 10 CG. That is quite difficult. So you can also share this video to those friends who have more than 8 CG, and they should be lenient about this CG criteria. there might be 7.5 or 7. So it is quite difficult. Moving ahead, you should be fluent in the English, and you should have good listening and writing skills. Now for the application will be online. You just have to upload your CV, and upon selection you will be get the email from them. And if you are interested in this internship, or send your CV to this given email. We will be providing this email to the description box also, so that you can go and can send your CV. And if you interested in this internship, make sure you like this video. Now for the document required, so first is your curriculum vitae, that is CV, then motivational letter. You should have a cover letter for your CV, so that which make your application more bright and eye catching. Now for the another is recommendation letter. You should have a recommendation or letter from your head of department or chairman of the of your college. Now you can search it out about different FAQs. Now, what is the flexibility in the terms of the internship duration? The managed internship program offer a intern, so there will be 3 or 2 up to 6 months internship, which grant the flexibility. You can read these FAQs. We will be providing this link in the description box, so that you can check it out. Now, hope you get a clear-cut idea about what is this internship and who is providing this internship, what is your requirement, and what is your stipend, and what is the duration of this internship, and different doubts are solved in this video. So make sure you like this video and share this video to those whosoever is looking for these internships, and subscribe to our channel and for getting this amazing lab solution. And I am happy to tell you about that we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. Now this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.